Okay, to install Linky Leads, you'll go to the link that you were emailed and find it on the Chrome store. And whatever browser you're using, Chrome is what we recommend, but if you're using Brave or Opera or Microsoft Edge, it'll say Add to or Install. Just click that and hit the OK Permissions button, and it'll install. Now, you'll want to look for this icon, but in order for that icon to show up here in your taskbar for your extensions, click this little button here next to your profile picture, find Linky Leads, and the little pin button, you want to click that so that it turns blue, and that's what installs the icon up here. And then to log in, just add the username that you registered with and that you were confirmed in your email, and whatever your password happens to be, go ahead and log in. It'll take a second. It's going to check with the database to make sure you have an account, and then it's going to log you in after it's verified that, and it's going to take you to your password, I saw the password pop up. It's going to take you to your portal, okay? And your portal looks like this, and we'll walk through the portal and how to do things in it in the next video.